Now the topic before us is common types of computer viruses. Most of the computer viruses do not cause much harm. The user might be unaware of the computer virus for years. Sometimes the viruses might cause random damage to data files, and over a long time they might destroy files and disks. The viruses may delete and cause disruption to our computer system. Detecting these viruses and removing them can be a very time consuming and costly affair, and it leads to wastage of time and resources. We will now discuss briefly some common types of computer viruses. Some common types are direct action virus, boot sector virus, macroviruses, polymorphic viruses, multipartite virus, file infector viruses, resident virus, overwrite virus, and space filler virus. We will discuss each of these viruses one by one. First is direct action virus. As the name suggests, this causes direct attack. What type of attack and on which? This is a virus which directly attacks certain types of files, usually .exe or .com files. The main purpose of this type of virus is to replicate itself and spread to other files on the system or network. Next virus is boot sector virus. As the name suggests, it infects the boot sector. Now the question arises, what is the boot sector? Boot sector is a dedicated section of hard disk or other storage device that contains data files which are required to start the operating system of the computer. Now it is a virus that infects the boot sector of the storage devices like hard drive or floppy disk. Boot sector viruses are some of the most dangerous viruses. It is difficult to remove this virus, often requires a full system format. Next is macroviruses. A macrovirus is a type of computer virus that is written in the same macro language. Macro language means a programming language which is used to create software programs such as Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. Because these type of viruses target software rather than systems, these viruses can infect any operating system. So a macro virus can infect a PC or a Mac. These viruses delete files, modify data, spread to other files, and lead to system instability such as system crashes, slow performance, etc. Next is polymorphic viruses. This virus is a type of computer virus that has the ability to change its own code or signature each time it infects a new file or system while retaining the basic program. It means that it goes on changing itself so as to avoid its detection by the antivirus software, while the basic nature of the virus remains the same. That is, the functions for which it has been created remain the same, only it changes its outward look or code. Removing polymorphic viruses is time consuming, complex, and costly because antivirus software finds it difficult to detect them on the basis of known signatures. We will discuss about the signature based identification or detection by antivirus software in our next course. Now, multipartite virus, as the name suggests, it is a type of computer virus that is capable of infecting multiple parts of a computer system. This virus can infect both the boot sector and executable files. The effects of a multipartite virus can be very damaging to a computer system. This virus is also known as hybrid virus. It is very difficult to detect and remove multipartite virus. Next is file infector viruses. These viruses specifically target executable files. When an infected executable files is executed, the virus activates and may perform many malicious activities. The virus can replicate itself, corrupt executable files, spread to other files, or cause system crashes or freezing of the computer system. Next is resident virus. This is one of the most common PC viruses that one can come across. This virus saves itself in the memory of the computer and causes file and program corruption. This virus may even attach to antivirus programs, infecting the very things they scan for signs of viral infection. It is difficult to remove these type of viruses from the system. Next is overwrite virus. As the name suggests, these viruses overwrite the original files, rendering the original file unusable or causing error. We can remove this virus only by deleting the infected file. Next is space filler virus. It is a rare type of virus which attempts to install itself by filling the empty spaces of a file. It is known as cavity virus. It will neither affect the size of the file nor can be detected easily. We may add that we have already uploaded a number of courses such as tips for crafting engaging speeches, good communication skills are the key to success, how to manage stress in our life, job application format, unlocking the power of mental wellness, mastering Heron's formula, most common mistakes in English grammar, 13 useful resume writing tips, what must be in your CV, resume, or biodata. We have also uploaded the courses on web applications, cyber security, and on many topics of mathematics. You can also look out for the same. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.